Is it a GoPro?
No, it's
I don't know what that.
so we then decided to do a short film on Siem Reap Art Center night market. At least it's a night market. I don't know what about the art center, but it's a night market. Oh, no, you don't start at 25, sorry, no, 15th of March. Now we live in Thailand, so we know it's too much, sorry. No, sorry, no thank you. So Cambodia night markets, plenty of service, plenty of stores, souvenirs, ATMs, gold, whatever it is, food. It's not a bad market actually. If you walk around long enough, they will actually lower the prices. So I want one of those chest bags, and the first place said $15 for a bag. The other place said 25, as you can hear. And then they actually got it down to $8 just for me turning around. So let me tell you one thing, $8 is too much. 2, then we can start negotiate. Everything over that is actually a rip-off from your part. They will do an excellent deal and you will make a good deal, but not excellent. Actually, as I said, it's not a bad market. If you want to buy any flag your heart desire, they have it there. Obviously you can get some money here on the visa, I don't know. Another thing I think is annoying is every time you actually look at something, they grab you directly, and that's not what I want. And usually in Thailand the camera works, but here it works like 30% of the time. They will hassle you anyway. No shine. No elephants, not bicycles, I hate it. Do you have beer? No.
No beer.
You want to be on YouTube? No? No, yes, no.
Yeah, Uncle Watts funny shirt.
I got what?
Det var samma som jag har, ja.
Okay.
I want to see the size.
Oh, you in that?
No.
See? Yeah.
No, is this thicker?
Thin. Yeah.
Good price, right? You happy?
Yeah.
They paid $6. Very good, I'm happy. Much money.
Wow, you money a lot.
You on camera?
For you.
No, thanks. No, because I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So when you look at the stuff here, let go of your Western, I don't know, delusions of what it costs, because it doesn't cost that here. You get a t-shirt for 10 Swedish crowns, that's $1 US. That's less. So that's what actually, so if they say like 18, 15, whatever, it probably costs 2, maybe $1 or $2. It's not kidding, I'm not kidding. That's the price that you should pay. So what just happened there, I bought 5 t-shirts for $5. And for me, I'm guessing they made a few bucks, not bucks, but they made a few money. And I got a good price. and that's all what counts, right? So when I come here, buy a t-shirt, I paid $2 over there and $1 each here, and you know, I'm happy with both of the deals, so that's a good thing. As a side note, when they give you this, you know, the heartbreaking story that they pay $4.50 for one of these bags, they are lying their hearts out. They pay 20 cents maximum one of these bags. So don't go, you know, listen to the bullshit crap. Sorry, they are talk about the better quality, blah blah blah. You get the quality you actually pay for, and they are from China. So if you want to look the prices up before you come here, go into Lazada and you will see the prices on bags and stuff from China. And why not take a stroll down Pub Street while we're at it, right? No, it's fine. Oh, actually one of those streets that are missing in Phnom Penh, I would say. Now we know where everybody is gone from Sihanoukville. They are here. Bars galore. In the middle of it is massages, pickle and pizzas. What? Up. More pubs. Hello. Fine, thank you.
Sir, driver, your bike không được không?
No, it's fine, thank you. And here you can get the t-shirts for 75 cents. No, it's so we are back at the Picasso bar actually. It's not a bad place. They serve tapas. That was really good yesterday, so why not come back to the crime scene when you're hungry again? Let's go to the pharmacy and see what they have. Because in Cambodia, they don't just have drugs, they have alcohol and everything else. Bye bye.